One of the issues that Berklee College Online has with some of its online instructors is the inability to complete technological tasks in their online Blackboard courses. This problem has placed a large burden on the instructional designers and also fills up the instructional designers' time by repeatedly performing menial technologically related tasks for instructors. This problem should be corrected so that the instructional designer's time can be more efficiently utilized on other instructional-based tasks. Berklee College Online students, instructional designers, and Berklee College ownership is impacted by this problem. How can we reduce Berklee College's online faculty's discomfort and anxiety about using technology? The one unifying idea that is coherent among all the research sources that I have collected is the fear of technology or technophobia. Each research deals with aspects of technophobia, but approaches the subject matter from a different viewpoint or different approach. Among the research literature that I've reviewed is Investigating Computer Anxiety and Communication Apprehension as Performance Antecedents in a Computing-Intensive Learning Environment. This research report examines computer anxiety and communication apprehension and their relationships in individual performance in a computing and programming intensive course. The report further investigates that computer anxiety and communication apprehension significantly influences performance outcomes. A longitudinal investigation of the effects of computer anxiety on performance in a computing-intensive environment. This research report describes the long-term changes in individuals' computer anxiety and performance. It also goes into subjects of initial anxiety and what happens when individuals are exposed to computer-intensive environments. An empirical investigation into the relationship between computer self-efficacy, anxiety, experience, support, and usage. This research focuses on self-efficacy and how it relates to human anxiety and how this is related to computers or technology. The effects of emotion on distance e-learning, the fear of technology. In this report, we see how technophobia relates to e-learning. Participants' frustration or withdrawal from the situation makes them afraid or reluctant towards computer technology, translating into problems utilizing e-learning. Some of the most important points gathered from the research are that communication apprehension needs to be considered in concert with computer anxiety when developing interventions for computing-intensive solutions. Computer anxiety has a negative effect on individual learning performance. Computer anxiety is most likely to have a measurable effect on performance with those who start off with a high degree of anxiety. Computer self-efficacy relates to users' acceptance of technology. Computer anxiety can be reduced by using self-efficacy improvement intervention. Emotions and fear are reasons to be reluctant to use technology. Technophobia is a barrier towards the use of e-learning for lifelong learning. As a solution to this issue, I'm proposing that Berklee College Online implement a series of workshops, webinars, and one-on-one sessions between faculty and instructional designers that can promote self-efficacy improvement intervention. The basis for this solution and proposal can be found with a review of the research literature. According to Vickian and Davis, computer anxiety has negative effects on an individual's learning performance. It is also stated that by computer-intensive environments can increase some participants' computer anxiety and that a high amount of anxiety can have a major impact on the performance of those participants. Based off of these two statements, the learning environments proposed above to promote self-efficacy improvement in Berklee College's online faculty should be of a type that promotes low anxiety. Vickian and Davis also conclude that the communication apprehension needs to be considered in concert with computer anxiety when developing interventions for computing-intensive solutions. This would lead me to believe that some of the online faculty would benefit from self-paced workshops or webinars, where communication participation is optional in order to quell the fears of communicating with another person and to promote a better level of comfort for learning technology. The fear of technology is real, and examples of frustration and withdrawal from the situation is the focus of the article, The Effects of Emotion on Distance E-Learning, the Fear of Technology. This article ties emotions and fears as reasons to be reluctant to use technology. This concept ties directly into the proposed solution of self-efficacy improvement intervention by proposing a solution to break the cycle of fear and withdrawal and be able to engage in the world of lifelong learning by using technology. In addition to the above proposed solution, Berkeley College Online should conduct more outside research and some additional internal research among its online faculty and instructional designers in order to obtain and create the instructional content of the proposed workshops, webinars, and one-on-one sessions.